we just brought the cheapest tech humanly possible from the internet. I'm talking tech so cheap it makes instant ramen look gourmet. All the way ranging from Bluetooth speakers, movie projectors and even 3D printers. Alright, first up, we all wanted a PS5 at some point in our lives. But it was way too expensive. But today, our dreams are gonna come true. This is a GS5 and it looks like a PS5 and a Wi-Fi router had a baby. And that baby was disappointingly cheap at 1200 rupees. It comes with 2 controllers and a few cables, which is good. Let's plug this in and try it out. So basically this has over 300 games like Super Mario and stuff, and actually it's pretty fun to play with someone. But you can get the same thing for 400 bucks without the PS5 casing. So in this case it's better to get a PS5. This is a 2 on 10. You know how Samsung users flex their 100x zoom in concerts? Well, good news is you can apparently do the same thing at 100 the price. Yup, you heard me right. Okay, let's see what we have in here. We've got a really long lens and a clip. So you clip this on your phone and screw the lens in. But does it actually work? Okay, so this is the maximum I can zoom on my phone. Let's attach this lens and try it out. Okay, so it's really zoomed in, but it's completely out of focus. And I can't find the focus wheel here as well. I'm not sure if I set this up wrong or something, but for now, Samsung stocks are safe. Guess I won't be using this in my next concert. This is a 1 on 10. Moving on, we have the cheapest earbuds money can buy. I don't think you'll get even a burger at this price. Ooh, it even has a display to show the battery percentage. Let's see if it connects to my phone. Yup, connected. That's a good sign. Time to play something. Okay, so this is pretty bad. It just has that one note. Feels like I'm listening to music through a tin can. But hey, considering the price point, the Bluetooth connectivity and the display, I think I have to give it a solid 6 on 10. So if you're going to listen to questionable audio, you might as well get comfortable, right? Standing at 159 rupees, we have this crazy laptop stand, which apparently just comes with 2 legs. So basically you attach these at the base of your laptop. And you pull these down and it works. And to be pretty honest, it's pretty sturdy and looks like you've got a pretty good airflow as well. And when you're done with it, you can close them up like this. And it lays completely flat on your table. This is basically a portable laptop stand which you won't even notice is there. 9 on 10. We love watching movies on the big screen. But the next best thing would be a projector. And that is where this projector comes in at rupees 999. Oh, it even has a remote. Fancy. Okay, let me connect this to my laptop and okay, we are on. We have got the screen projected here and honestly, the brightness is too low. I mean, I see how you can get this to work while you're on a date. But I guess if you want a good movie experience, this isn't gonna cut it. 5 on 10. So we have got a big screen of sorts. But a movie experience just isn't about visuals, right? We need sound. Moving on to the cheapest speaker at 200 rupees. Initial thoughts, it's tiny. But hey, size doesn't always matter, right? We've got the power switch here.
Welcome to NT Music World.
Okay, let's play some music. Okay, so it's loud alright, but the sound isn't just that refined. You can hear a slight crackle while it's playing. Turns out, size does matter. But for 200 bucks, a solid 8 on 10. Up next is the cheapest VR headset money can buy at 600 rupees. Honestly, I ordered a different one and they gave me this for some reason. Right off the back, the quality of the plastic is not reassuring. Okay, so apparently you need to install this app to use it. Let's try it on. Okay, I see it. I mean, it works. The quality is okay. The lengths are pretty good. But do I see myself using this every day? I don't think so. Just because it works as expected, 6 on 10. Finally, we have a 3D printer at 500 rupees. Or a 3D pen, which is basically a 3D printer without an arm. I mean, technically, the way 3D printers work is by melting the filament and layering them to form a shape. And that's exactly what this is trying to do. Okay, so you connect this to power and select the material that you have. Now let's feed in the filament and press this to load it. Okay, now you've got to wait for the red light to turn blue, which means it's preheated. And now you can start printing. It's working alright. I have no idea what I'm making, but it's pretty cool. Okay, for anyone who loves to make art and has the patience, this is great. It's just not for me. But I'm pretty sure you can use this to make small fixes if something is broken. That's why I'll give this a solid 7 on 10 and I'll see you next week.